Hi everyone, welcome to Mrs. Shin's class. Okay, today let's go over how to analyze and compare the box and whiskers. Okay, so if you have a look at this, for box and whiskers, it's including the lowest value and the highest value, median. What is median? It's a middle value, right? So median is Q2 over here, representing the middle value. Lower quartile is Q1. Upper quartile is Q3. Okay, what it means, lower quartile and upper quartiles. If you have a look over here. Okay, so say that you have 100 values. 100 values. So the lowest value will be the minimum value over here. Okay, the biggest value will be the maximum value at the end, right? Put the values from smallest to biggest, ascending order. Find the median, which is the middle value, would go in here, right? And from this middle value and the lowest value, find another median from there. And here, this will be the lower quartile. And then again, right, from the median, the middle value to the highest value, find the median of it. There you go. This is the upper quartile. So basically, I can say from here to there, if I had 100 people, okay, 100 values, that's 25%. 25 values would lie in here. Again, 25 values would lie in here between lower quartile to median. Another 25 value median to upper quartile, and another 25 values from upper quartile to the maximum value. Okay, so it's quartile divided into 4. That's what the box and whiskers represent. Okay, so here you go. This is again box and whiskers divided into quartiles, 25% each. Right, so in order to find in the quartile range, you need to take away, you need to find the difference from upper quartile and the lower quartile. So Q3 minus Q1 will be interquartile range. Okay, and finding the range is you have to go greatest value, the highest value, minus the smallest one to find out the range. Right, so if there are two box and whiskers on the same scale, we need to compare them. What things do we need to look for? Okay, you have to talk about those 5 things. Okay, so let's have a look at the center. How do we compare the center? It's comparing the median. All right, so let's have a look at the box and whiskers example. So it's talking about the bag weight between male student and female student. Okay, how would you write this? How would you compare this? First of all, you need to tell us what you noticed about the median from that graph. Okay, so let's have a look. From our sample, I noticed that the median of what? Yeah, median of bag weight. We're talking about bag weight, right? Okay, bag weight of which group tends to be bigger or smaller than the other? Right, so yes, the median for female is this one, and median for male is this one. Yeah, we're comparing. So obviously female is median is bigger than male. All right. So bag weight of female tends to be bigger than the median of bag weight of male. Around, okay, now you need to talk about the difference. Okay, if you have a look and measure the difference, what would it be? It will be around 700 grams, isn't it? Okay, so that's how you start the sentence. So first of all, you need to tell me what you notice. Okay, then you have to explain why this maybe happened. Why did female bag weight is heavier than the medium male bag weight? Okay, just give me an example. One of the answers is that female tends to bring hairbrush, hair ties, deodorant for their PE class, right? Because they need to tie their hair and everything. And I noticed that, more female students tend to take dance class, then they have to bring extra gears to school, right? And if they do music, okay, they need to bring instrument as well. So that will pull up the back weight for the female. So that's just my example. Okay, so you can just think about it, give me your insight why this might have happened. Right, so ta-da! This is how we talk about the center, how we compare the center. Next one is shift. Okay, let's have a look. Whoop. Okay, what has happened? Yeah, so we know that, let's say the top one is A. The value of A are shifted further up the scale than the value of B. Okay, so we're looking at the middle 50%. What is the middle 50%? Okay, so say this is 25%, this is 25%, this is 25, this is 25, right? So that means this much is lower 25%. This much is lower 50%. Okay, then we can say this much is 25 plus 25, middle 50%. Yep, so the box represents the middle 50%, and from there to there is upper 50%, right? Okay, likewise from there all the way up till here, 25, 25, 25, lower 75% we can say, or from there to there, upper 75%. So we can say in percentile. Okay, so if we look again, right, so in here, middle 50% of group A is shifted further up the scale than B. Okay, so let's have a look. This is statistics test score for Year 10 student in TGS. This is boys and girls compared on the same scale, okay? Have a look at the middle 50%. The middle 50% of math test score is shifted further up than which one? Obviously girls. Middle 50% is shifted further up the scale than boys. This is the statement that you should make for shift. Okay, now let's add some values. What you need to say after this is you need to include some values. How? Like this. Okay, so lower quartile is over here, right? We're comparing those values. So lower quartile 39, which is for girls, minus 23, which is for boys, which the difference is 16, right? Now we need to compare median. You see the middle line there? Yeah. So the median is 45 for girls and 27 for boys, and there you go, the difference is 18. And it's the same with upper quartile. Yeah, upper quartile for girls, upper quartile for boys, which is 22. So you have to talk about those values, okay? And what does this mean? Explain what it means. Yeah, obviously, what does it mean? Girls' math scores are better than boys, right? That's what I need to say. Okay, so if you want to show some insight, you need to explain why this might happen. Okay, just think of any reason to back up your statements that you made. Okay, today we're only going to cover the first two, comparing the center and the shift. I want you to have a go and doing some practice comparing to box and whiskers. Okay, then I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.